First question, draw all the axes of symmetry in the given figure. In this figure, we can get two axes of symmetry like this. I have drawn them by dotted lines. Question number 2. The set A is given as prime numbers between 15 and 40. Represent the set A by writing all the elements of the set within curly brackets. The set A. What are the elements of set A? Prime numbers between 15 and 40. So we can, prime numbers means the numbers with only two distinct factors. So the first one is 17, then 19, 23, 29, then 31 and 37. These are the only prime numbers between 15 and 40. These are the all prime numbers. So question number 3. Find the highest common factor of 30, 45 and 60. There are three methods to find highest common factor. In this I am using the division method. I have to write 30, 40 and 45. Not 40, 45, 60. Then I am using the long division method. What is the prime number that all the three numbers are divisible by? We can't take 2. This is not divisible by 2. We can take 3 here. 3 times 10, then 15, 20. Now we can't take 3, but the next prime number 5 can be taken. All are divisible by 5. 5 times 2, 3, 4. Now we can't find any prime number which all the numbers are divisible by. So we are stopping the division here. Then we have to take the multiplication of these two numbers. HCF is equal to the multiplication of 3 and 5. That is 15. Question number 4. Simplify. We are given this mathematical operation. 5 plus 7 times. Then within brackets 5 minus 2. Divide by 3. Minus 4. In this, first we have to perform the operation inside the bracket. That means this one. Then here we have a multiplication. So we can write 5 plus 7 times 5 minus 2 is 3. Then divide by 3 minus 4. Next we have to perform the operations, the multiplications and divisions from left side to right side. So we have to perform this multiplication first. Then 5 plus 7 times 3 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Then minus 4. Now we can perform the additions and subtractions from left to right. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. The last answer is 8. Question number 5. A person who borrowed a bank loan has to pay equal installments every month for 15 years. If he paid the first installment on 2019 January 25th, when will he pay the last installment? We have to add 15 years for this date. 2019, then first month, the date is 25. We have to add 15 years for this. Here the same date and same month. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 goes to the other side. Then the addition 3. Then here 2034 January 25th. This is the date of the last installment. Question number 6. Write. We are given an expression in index notation. We are given this one. 2 into 3 into P into 3 into then Q into P into 2 into 3. How many 2's are there? 1, 2. So we can write 2 to the power 2. How many 3's? 1, 2, 3. Then 3 to the power 3. How many P's? 2 P's. P to the power 2 and 1 Q. Q. So this is in index notation. Now, question number 7. In the given figure, name first one a pair of parallel lines. There are 3 parallel lines here. We can name them as FE, parallel to HC. This is the sign for parallelism. Then parallel to AB. Then part 2, a reflex angle. 2 reflex angles are there. One is FGH reflex angle. The other one is EDC. EDC reflex angle. Then question number 8. Fill in the blanks. We are given this +8 plus -3 plus then a blank equal to +7. Here what is the addition here? +8 plus -3. We have to take the magnitude difference of the two magnitudes. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then we have to take the sign with the largest magnitude, that is plus sign. +5 is the answer here. Then to get +7, we have to add +2 for this directed number. So the answer we have to write +2. Question number 9. Solve. We are given this simple equation. 8x plus 5 equal to 77. First we have to remove this +1. For that we have to subtract 5 from both sides. Then here +5 and -5 can be cancelled. 8x equal to 77 minus 5 is 72. Then we can divide both sides by 8. Removing this 8, x is remaining. 72 divided by 8 is 9. X equal to 9. Question number 10. Find the area of the given figure. This is the figure given for us. I'll draw it. These are right angles. Then here the length is 3 centimeters. Here 10 centimeters. Then this both are 5 centimeters. When finding the area of a figure, compound figure like this, we have to separate it into shapes with known areas. So I can separate this like into 2 rectangles. Then this is figure 1 and this is figure 2. When considering the figure 1, the length here is 5 plus 3. The length here is 8. Here 8 centimeters. Then this is 5 centimeters. Then this one, what is the length? Breadth is 3 centimeters. Length 10 minus 5. This is also 5 centimeters. Area of first one, figure 1, 8 multiplied by 5. 40 square centimeters. Then second one, 5 multiplied by 3, 15 square centimeters. Now we have to take the total area. 40 plus 15, that is 55 square centimeters. Fraction number 11, simplify. We are given two fractions to add. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. We have to take a common denominator. What is the common denominator of 3 and 5? 15. The first fraction should be multiplied by 5. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 1, 5. Then the second one by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2, 6. The answer is 11 over 15. Question number 12. Express the ratio 54 to 63 to 108 in its simplest form. How to take the simplest form? We have to divide this ratio from the largest number that all the terms can be divisible by. So, all these are multiples of 9. 54 can be divisible by 9. 54 divided by 9 is 6. Then 63 divided by 9 is 7. 108 divided by 9 is 12. All the three terms are divided by 9. Question number 13. If the x and y coordinates indicated by the point A on this Cartesian plane are changed and the resulting point is named as B, write what are the x and y coordinates of B. Here in point A, the coordinates are 2, 3. The x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate 3. We have to interchange the coordinates to get the point B. So in B, x coordinate comes 3 and y coordinate becomes 2. So this is the new coordinates. Question number 14. Write the mixed number 2, 3 over 20 as a percentage. First we have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. For that, the denominator should be multiplied by this whole number and numerator should be added. 20 times 2 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. That is the new numerator. Then 20. The denominator remains unchanged. So this is the improper fraction. Now we can convert this into a percentage easily by multiplying by 100%. 20 times 1, 20 times 5. 43 should be multiplied by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 is remaining. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 215%. That is the answer. Question number 15. If a certain solid with 5 faces and 6 vertices obeys Euler's relationship, find the number of edges. What is Euler's relationship? That can be used only only for solids with straight edges. Only with straight edges. So, number of vertices plus number of faces is equal to number of edges plus 2. So, here the number of vertices are 6 and number of faces are 5. We have to find the number of edges. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 equal to e plus 2. Then number of edges is equal to 11 minus 2. That is 9. Question number 16. Consider the tessellation. Consider this tessellation. What type of tessellation is this? This is a Regular tessellation, because only hexagons, regular hexagons are used here. So first one, a regular tessellation. Then second part, what is the sum of the angles around the point P? Around the point P, we know that the sum of the angles around the point should be 360 degrees. So here also the sum is 360 degrees. Question number 17. The faces of a regular tetrahedron are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. The tetrahedron is rolled once and the number on the face that turns downward is observed. According to the possible outcomes, mention the type of following events. First one, getting number 3. That is a random event. So the answer is random event. It can be happen or it can't be happen. Then getting a number less than 5. All these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are less than 5. So this is a definitely occurring event. A definitely occurring event. Question number 18. In a scale drawing of a rectangular land which is drawn to the scale 1 to 300. The scale is given as 1 to 300. The length is 5 centimeters. Find the actual length of the land. First we will read this scale. That means 1 centimeter represents 300 centimeters. That is 3 meters. So, what is represented by 5 centimeters? If 1 centimeter represents 3 meters, 5 centimeter represents 3 multiplied by 5 meters, 15 meters. So the actual length represented by 5 centimeter length in the scale diagram is 15, this should be meters, 15 meters. Question number 19, we are given this to simplify. 1.5 grams and 1.557 grams. Addition. When adding decimal numbers, we have to write the decimal places one below the other like this. First decimal places one below the other, then second decimal places also in the same way. 7, then 5 plus 5 is 10, then 1 goes to the other side. We have to keep the decimal point here. Then the addition here is 3. This is in grams. Question number 20. The center of the given circle is O. Find the length of OC. Here radius is given as 5 centimeters. OC also radius here. So the length of OC should be 5 centimeters. Part 2. Which type of a triangle is OBC? OBC triangle. Here in OBC triangle, two sides OC and OB. Both are radii of the circle. They are equal in length. So two sides are equal, but we can't say about the length of the side BC. So if two sides are equal, this is an isosceles triangle.